This event known as Rendezvous 2017, which is organized by the Department of English of our college. This is the second year we are having this program, and it's very good response from all over Goa. Many colleges have taken part who offer English major in their BA Arts stream. We have this year the theme of Indian literature, where we have many competitions like on-stage event and off-stage event. And on-stage like stand-up comedy, verse mime. Then we have some other programs like Blind Man's Bluff, then Avant-Garde, then Tell a Tale. And we are going to have a great show called Fashion Show, and where all Indian characters will be portrayed, and where they had portrayed in their art form, either in the form of play, poem or novel, which they are going to show. That will be in the afternoon, and morning we had around 3 on-stage and 3 off-stage events. And now at present on off-stage event the seminar presentation is going on, and the students' response is too good, and we are going to look forward, because next year, as we are going to start MA in English, we are going to have more students, and the students from the surrounding colleges will join us for MA, and we are going to have a big show for next year too. So hope we'll see even next year with big group and with big event.